Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to fix Grok AI spicy mode not activating. Okay, now here when I open the Grok AI and when I go to the settings of my phone, here I cannot have actually the NSFW mode or the spicy mode to be activated. So now in order to fix this issue, you have three options. The first option is to go and open the Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of Grok AI. So search for Grok and make sure you have the latest update. And once you have the latest update, you should make sure that you have logged in using your X account, not your Google. The third thing is to go and open your profile, click on your profile menu. Then you want to go and click on birth date, and you want to choose something which is 2002 or earlier. So you need to be eligible with the age. So let's say that I will choose 2020, May for example, 28. Then I'm gonna click on OK. Then I'm gonna click on save. And after that, you will be able to activate the spicy mode and the NSFW. Now I'm gonna type here a simple prompt, activate spicy mode, just like so. Then it will tell me here spicy mode activated. And this is how I can actually fix the issue. That's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.